Do you think it looks like a frog? But
What is it?
that is a very long tail. I is for igua.
Iguana.
Iguana. Very good. Iguana. All right.
I have a toy like an iguana.
Oh, like an iguana? Wow.
Yeah.
Now, what about
It
this
can
one?
even color change.
Oh,
With
it's
cold water.
change.
With
Oh.
cold water. But when you wipe the iguana, it gets color change and you'll turn back to yellow.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, I think your toy is beautiful. Now look at this. What's this? This one.
Igloo.
Oh, okay, very good. But it's not igloo, it's igloo.
Igloo.
Igloo, very good. This one. What person? What kind of person is this?
A flipper? Flip?
It starts with the letter I. In,
In,
Indian.
Indian.
Uh-huh. Indian. Indian. Indian.
Where they live?
In India.
Oh, wow.
Look at this. What is this? What is this? You have this in your school.
A book.
No. You can see you wear this every day when you go to school. You have your picture, your name, the name of your school. This is?
A paper. A paper.
No, the one that you wear. The one that you wear every day when you wear your uniform. Then you wear that also. ID.
A skirt.
ID.
Oh, yeah. I have one ID.
You have one ID when you were in nursery, right?
Yeah, I did.
How about this?
It was almost messed up.
Oh, but you are going to have new ID soon, okay? What about this one? What's this?
Ice cream?
It's an ice cream. Very good. Do not say a ice cream. Say an ice cream.
Ice cream. Where's your toy again that you showed me last time?
My what?
Your toy.
Ah, the one that you want to
Chinese
have?
toy.
Japanese
Yeah.
toy?
Yeah.
Here. Wow.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Yeah, you have to continue learning with teacher, okay?
Okay.
See you. Bye-bye.
After teaching with teacher, am I going to get you?
Ah, that depends. If your grandma will see teacher Carly. Okay, sorry. So, what letter is this?
It's letter J. Big J, small J.
Very good. Nakalimutan mo na naman, ha? All right. Now, look at this. What's this?
A car.
What kind of car?
A jeep.
Yeah, jeepney.
Jeepney.
Very good. Sorry. What about this one? What's this?
A jellyfish.
Very good. This one.
A juice.
Perfect. What is this?
A cup.
Ah! Oh my gosh, we're learning letter J.
It looks like a.
You know this. You know this because last time as I showed you a picture. Yeah, and you were able to tell me what's this. What's this?
It's
Jar.
jar.
Jar. Very good. This one.
Suit.
Hmm?
Suit.
A suit? What kind of suit?
Swimming suit.
Anong swimming suit? Swimming suit ba yan?
Clothes.
What kind of clothes? All right, Vera, what kind of clothes? Jacket. Jacket.
Jacket.
Yeah, I think you have a jacket. When you feel very cold, you can wear your jacket. All right?
Where can I get my jacket?
What?
So I can show you. Can I get my jacket so I can show you?
Sure, sure, you can. Go ahead, please.
Yay! I can, but Tita's speaking on me.
All right, how about this one? What letter is this?
L. Big L, small L.
Very good. Look at this. What's this? What's this?
A lion.
Roar. Very good. Lion. This one, what's this?
Shoes. A
Hmm?
bag.
You're going to put this in your door, so you will lock your door. This is lock.
Lock. Oh, we have plenty of lockers here.
Mm-hmm.
One in our door, one in our gate.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's good. What about this one? What's this?
Crab.
No, it's not a crab. It's not a crab. It starts with letter L. It's a lob.
A lobster.
Very good. It's a
I have one
lobster.
toy as a lobster, but it was in Panabu.
Hindi pimpanabu. How about this? Look at this. What's this?
It's like
What?
It's leaf.
Leaf. Very good. This one. This one.
Looks like genie bottle.
But this one is look, meron, parang may kandila.
Lamp.
Lamp. Very good. All right. What about this one? What?
Aladdin ba lamp?
Aladdin. Then, lalabas si Genie. All right.
Do you already
bibigyan
watch
kita.
Aladdin?
Of course, bibigyan kita ng 3 kahilingan. Sa tuwing ikay hihiling.
Did you already watch Aladdin Part 2?
I haven't. I think I haven't. Only part 1. All right. What letter is
I
this?
watched Part 1 too.
Wow, very good of you. Now, what letter is this, Vera? Go, go, go. So we can finish this.
It's big and small and.
Very good. Look at this. What's this?
Teacher, you can make the camera a little big. A moon.
It's not moon. It's a moon.
Moon.
Very good. What's this?
Medal.
Medal. Very good. How about this one?
I have 2 medals.
You have 2 medals. Wow, that's nice. What about this?
Motorcycle.
Very good. This one. What about this? Hoy, Vera, alis na lang si teacher. Sige.
A cup.
What's the other word for cup? Yung mas malaki. Yung mas malaki. Starts with letter a mug. Very good. How about this one?
A monkey.
Very good. What about this one? Vera, what letter is this?
Are we going down straight?
What's this?
It's letter big N. Big N, small N.
Wow, that's awesome. Now tell me,
Why you laugh?
kasi natumba ka nung magganong ka na big N. All right, what's this? What's this?
A book.
It's a
Paper.
it starts with letter N.
And
No.
notebook.
Very good. This one.
Net.
Very good. This one.
A doctor.
Uh-huh. Doctor starts with letter D. Doctor, but this one starts with letter N.
Oh, but it's a nurse.
Very good. It's a nurse. This one?
A paper. Sign.
What kind of paper? Starts with letter
Sign.
N. It starts with letter N. What kind of news? What kind of paper? No.
No.
News, newspaper. Newspaper.
Note. Newspaper.
Okay, newspaper. Okay.
No. Nose. No.
Newspaper. 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 All right. This one.
Food.
Yeah, what kind of food? Yung mahaba ganit. Karsten, yung ginagamit.
Japanese food. Japanese food.
Starts with letter N. No. Nude.
Nude spaghetti.
Oh, what is a spaghetti? Noodles. Noodles.
Noodles.
Noodles. Noodles.
Noodles. I love noodles.
I love noodles too. So we ended up in letter M. Let's continue letter O to Z tomorrow, all right? We don't have time anymore, Vera. We have exceeded our time actually. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow to continue the letters. And after letter Z, we are going to practice the sound of each letter. Like A, ambulance, apple, alligator. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.